Good morning students, this is your Maths book class 5 term 1 juncture and integrated term series. In this book you have to start from the chapter 1 here, but before this we shall understand how to make our notebook. You have to take a register, plain register for maths, and in which on the very first page you have to write your name, roll number, class and section, and on the second page write tables 2 to 20. This work should be done on the page number 2. Page number 1, write your name, roll number, class and section. On page 2, write tables 2 to 20. And on third page, you have to start with this place value table of yours, which I have to send in the group. This is your page number 3 of your register. You have to start page number 3, place value table, both national and international, both you have to draw. And the fourth point is, in this class 5 you have to start writing with blue and black gel pens. Clear? And the fifth point, you always have to remember, if you are writing with blue and black gel pens, questions you have to write with black pen, and solutions, or you can say answers, you have to write with blue pen. This you have to follow. Plus 6 points you always have to remember, that geometry work should be done with the help of pencil only. These are the instructions which I am giving to you. On page number 1, write your roll number, class, section. On 2 page you have to write tables 2 to 20. On page number 3, the place value table which I am sending in the group. You have to remember that you have to start with blue and black gel pens. Questions you have to write with black pens, and solutions with gel pens, and geometry work should be done with the help of pencil. Yes, good morning students. Today we have to start chapter 1, numbers up to 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. In this exercise 1.1, write the number name of the following numerals. First part is 80,800 is given to you. So let us write here. Write the number name of the following numerals. Firstly, we are writing the Indian numeration system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Answer will be 80,800. And the second part is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Answer will be 2 lakh 84,000 325. Similarly, the third part, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and the answer will be 3 lakh 85,000 611. In this way, A to C part I have done, and D, E and F part, this is do yourself.